I'm tired as hell, man. I've slept like 4 hours in the past 2 days, so I'm gonna bust this freestyle and then get some sleep. Loopy Flow Show, day number 20. I actually like this right here, y'all. Never heard it. Yo, I didn't mean to hurt it. I'm a wordsmith, far from perfect. Please turn this page on the book I gave you. I don't behave, dude. No, you must be mistaken for someone who is upstanding member of society, kid. But I'm riding with a sidekick. I'm a psychopathic prick, and I'm not trying to hide this. I ride until it's 6 and the sun goes down and the crows don't crow and the birds don't chirp, and every time that you rock your jersey, play the game, it really does hurt. You really do deserve everything that they serve. Spiking the ball, hit it with a curve. I got my mittens and my glove and my scarf. Please don't make me barf. I'm Bart Simpson, I'm Pippin. I'm dipping dots dipping, so listen. Y'all tripping, y'all really need to land, leave an imprint. I've been sick. You really trying to get with someone that got a bandwidth, someone that make a girl make his ass a sandwich. I damage, I'm living lavish. You talking about what you want to get, counterfeit, fake already had it. I'm back at it, probably stab it, stack of mathematics, put it on blacklist. And I ain't spitting that cabbage, I'm splitting the cabbage, eyes red as a radish. What? My favorite dish. I said that in my last time, but that shit is legit. Catch it with a mitt. In the outfield or in the stand, and I'm my own man. I dream about things I want to do and say I can. Goddamn, look at both of my hands. Too large, I'll smack you with a baby powder. And go take a shower, used to work at Eddie Bauer. Tall towers, the twin towers, I'm not tall anymore. I think I need an extra door, reservoir that I had for the Gears of War. Any store, anything that you wanna buy, we can cry. Tears drop, then they hit the chin. Listerine in my mouth and I'm swishing it. Holy shit, do you wanna get the misdemeanor felony? Missing me, what you telling me? Letter B's. Or after the A, I'd rather be that. I'd rather be writing the essay with essays. Let's play, let's be Power Rangers. Let's be at the gun range. Slight change, slight flow. Fast nitro, about as nasty as Michael. Everything gets read and sent, even the typos. Yo. Number 20, that's good, man. I'm super stoked that I got to 20. I don't got nothing to say, man. Just another day, another flow, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm out this bitch. Adios. Peace.